Hi guys, this is Team 4. We are Alberto Rubio, Elio Flores, and Jessica Gutierrez, and we have identified translation problems and have used strategies in order to translate the text called the differential diagnosis of light red liver mortis. I'm gonna explain the first paragraph, and here in the English version, it was found that the liver mortis was found to be light red. It had a translation problem, which was syntactic problem of a structural organization. So the strategy was used. It was the translation by cultural substitution. So in the Spanish version, what we did, we changed the passive voice into active voice, so it's easier and natural and also familiar to the target reader to understand. Um, Also, the next example, it was found. It was the CO poisoning, which it had a translation problem of a syntactic problem word order, and the strategy it was used was the translation using a long word with explanation. So in the Spanish version, we added monóxido de carbono because this is a chemical concept that is repeated in the text. So here is first mentioned, and this explanation is gonna use, so in the next times it can be used by its own meaning. Now my partner Elio is gonna explain the next paragraph.
Regarding this part, my team and I identify a semantic problem. We know that languages differ in grammar and morphology. In this case, the problem was that in English comparatives are expressed in one word, unlike Spanish, who need to add a conjunction, like más or menos. The possible solution for this translation problem can be translation by paraphrase using a related word. Moving on, we also found another translation problem related to a cultural specific reference, which was barbecue. We decided to translate this with a more general word, so we used the word parrilla, which has more sense to our culture than barbecue. And so my partner Jessia is going to continue with the last paragraph.
Okay, guys, and now in this part of the source text, I found a syntactic problem, which is highlighted in orange color. This is a problem because I want to avoid lengthy explanations in the target text. So please focus on the source text sentence. It says, death would have been possible. If you literally translate this sentence into Spanish, the result is la muerte habría sido posible. But I realize that some words are not necessary to mention in the understanding of the translation. So, an adequate strategy for solving this problem is translating by omission. And the result is, in the target text, habría muerto. As you can see, this strategy keeps the original meaning in the target text. Now, the problem is solved. I don't have any problem now.